Hi, I am Dr. Trina Gregory. I and the other professors teaching ITP 115 want to welcome you to this Programming in Python course, which is designed for students with no programming experience. We are excited to turn you into coders. If you have prior programming experience, please take the ITP 116 Accelerated Programming in Python course. We want you to learn the fundamentals of programming using Python and proper coding conventions. Thus, you will need to use the course materials that we have created. So we have a policy in this course that getting outside help and using outside resources violates the academic integrity standards. So using AI tools is not allowed in this course. It is a violation of our academic integrity standards and will be reported to the Office of Academic Integrity. To be successful in this course, you need to attend class and really be an active participant in class. You also need to read the syllabus and follow the instructions for our assignments, which are in-class labs and homework assignments that we have for this class. Coding really is a detailed oriented activity, and you will need to follow these detailed instructions. The deadlines are posted in the syllabus, on Brightspace, and on Piazza, which is a question and answer forum that we have provided for all our students to be able to ask questions and get help. By the way, this form allows you to ask anonymously, which I think is very helpful for students. We do realize this is a 2-unit course, um, but we want you to really understand these fundamentals. So you should allocate 4 hours per week to be successful in this course. And that includes the 2 hours that you're attending class, but that you need to be an active participant when you attend class and doing the labs that we do in class, as well as then working on the homeworks. We have videos for you to watch, which we want you to watch before each class session. So we have videos on Brightspace for you to watch. They are also posted on YouTube that cover the course materials. We have slide decks, and then during class, we will be going over concepts, doing examples, and giving you those examples so you can go away with a lot of our course materials that can really help you learn to code. So this class truly is designed for those who do not have coding experience. Um, but you are going to have to put the effort in to actually learn. We will be using PyCharm, which is an IDE that's used to actually code. So you're going to need to download and install Python and PyCharm and configure PyCharm, but we have install instructions for that to help you. We also have lots of office hours and open lab hours by the instructors teaching the course, as well as our learning assistants. We call them LAs, learning assistants, and they are here to help you as well learning how to code. So we usually have over 40 hours every week to help you, and you can get help from any of the professors and learning assistants. You doesn't have to just be the ones that are assigned to your section. We do have multiple sections of this course and multiple professors and a whole group of learning assistants here to help you. We truly want to turn you into coders. We are excited that you are joining our course, and we look forward to a very successful semester. Fight on.